My name is Radmila Božović and I'm executive producer.
What did you want to be when you grew up?
Many things. Many things. First of all, I wanted to be ambassador, which is a small thing, of course. Then I wanted to be an actress, a singer, and I'm an actress now. So that's my children's dreams came true. Yeah.
Okay. Well, which character from a children's story? Which character from a children's story best describes you?
Me? Definitely one of the Looney Tunes. I think that it would be devil. The
Tasmanian devil.
Yeah, Tasmanian devil. Yeah.
Okay.
Or a coyote. I don't know, because when I'm trying to do something, I have a big plan and it never got to the end of it.
Okay.
I get to the end, but the finish line is very difficult to explain. So.
Okay. What's your highlight of the festival? The thing that you most enjoyed, or the one that you're most looking forward to?
Well, I enjoy working with children, and I enjoy talking to them. So I enjoy listening to their comments about the shows, about the plays, and I think that everything what I do here is because of them, because I love working with them. So, and I love to meeting other theaters, other groups, other actors, children actors. So I think that's it. I told everything that whole festival. So.
And what's your top tip about Kotor? What do you recommend that we do in Kotor this summer?
In Kotor this summer? Well, I don't know, to visit our festival, of course, because our festival is until I think August, the end of July and August. I don't know, enjoy, I think, in this town.
Right. And for the end, what's your favorite ice cream flavor?
Ice cream flavor? Chocolate.